Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Chris Official coming at you with another video today. It's Chainsaw Man episode 4. Yeah, man, I'm ready to get right into this, man. Feel free to like, subscribe, and yeah, man. Feel free to also react to my other reactions, man. With that said, I'm not about to waste too much of your time. We about to get straight into this video on 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, that's how we starting? Ew. She eating the booty. Is she just killing all animals? Like, what's good? Oh my God. Oh, I forgot he saved her in the last episode. And he saved the cat. This man geeking. What the heck is that? Oh my God, man. What is that nasty creature? Take me out and flee. He was my man, you know. Ugh. Deji? Hey, she got a back too. She ain't killing all humanity. Ugh.
くだらない低俗な欲望を持つやつに殺されたものねかわいそうコウモリ
Oh my God, this animation right now is hitting. Ooh, you saw the way he slid? You about to use the guns? Oh my god, he's getting pieced up. Did his eye just pop off his head? He's going crazy. Oh! What? Why is she sitting? Ain't she strong? Do something. Who that?
Con.
My God.
お前と血の魔人は事情聴取。
Guy's arm back, that's all I'm wearing, but damn it, she took that arm off quick.
お前たちが確認されている。それに、コウモリの悪魔が潜んでいたと思われる家には、お前の血が。お前、血の魔人に殺されそうになっただろ。
No, don't, I ain't go front.
お前はまた悪魔に肩入れしているな。
Like, give my man some apples. They are speaking good about him. Give him some apples. Oh my God, man. Who you talking to like that, man? Deji, get up in. Nah, I'm kidding. Let me chill, man. But, like, dude talking crazy. You hear him? Stop talking crazy to my man, Deji.
本当にいいのかな。この魔人ちゃんがいつか人を殺した時は見逃したアキ君の責任だぞ。
あくまでも魔人でも使えるもんは何でも使うべきだ。でも敵は敵、利用するだ。慣れ合うつもりはないですよ。
We're not making friends. God, this dude is serious about the job, ain't he?
銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。報告は以上です。
ご苦労様。
悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから。
Sam, Mikey, much chill, man. Let it slide.
早川君も少し頭が柔らかくなった。デンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな。
Yes.
でないですよ。俺は。
That man capping. A new day. Breathe in that fresh air, bruh. Breathe in that fresh air. Man, getting the tea ready was good. Oh, what is this coffee? Yeah, there's coffee in it. Man, oh my God, this not even somebody knocked out the somebody. Oh, this man about to have a rough house life. He just started getting used to Deji. They're not having it, bro. That was my first touches. Bro. Your turd stunk? You called her shit. Yeah, Deji, yeah. Nah, this is wild. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna put this on the screen.
じゃが条件がある。
Congratulations. You have stipulation 3.
揉んでいい回数は3もみじゃ。
3も
3.
にゃーこを助けたのが1もみ。
Alright, rescuing the cat.
2もみ。
Slaying the bad devil.
そしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので
Protecting you
3
from
もみじゃ。
getting basically murked, pretty much.
胸を
Okay.
揉ませるのは嘘だ。の頑張りに報いての3もみ。ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
Yo, this man, yo, his breathing in my ears making me uncomfortable. Please end it. She's. Wow, that was another great episode, man. I really enjoyed it. Whew, I can't wait to see what the next episode brings, man. Each episode, it just seems to keep getting good, better and better and better. Even the ending, even though the ending slowed down, like it's kind of like they did the ending completely different. You know what I'm saying? These last the last two episodes, it started off slow and then went crazy at the end. And this episode kind of went crazy at the beginning, but slowed down at the end. But it didn't make the show any worse, in my opinion. No, having power inside the crib now changes a lot. My man Deji got him his happy ending, so. Okay, I can say this is a pretty good episode. With that said, I want to thank everybody for watching this video, whether you're a old visitor or a new visitor. Thank you all. With that said, like and subscribe, comment as usual if you enjoyed the video, and like I always say, peace.